time to run them over! Okay, so now we're back at it again. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the bounty man, the trader, and we're gonna collect our bounty. Okay, buddy. Now let's see what our reward is.
Might we chat for a bit? We have bounties in quite a wide variety indeed.
Oh. Megalodon muscles. And this is... Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Farewell.
I guess we're gonna go here now. Okay, buddy. So, who are you?
Hey, I need to talk to you.
While I'm out, we're gonna repair this. Or upgrade the workshop to level 2. And now, we're gonna go to these people and give them gas. And then hit up the trader. And we'll be back. This is a cool car. I kinda like this one. Whoops. Okay. Here we are. At the place. These people want gas. Hey, buddy. Person. There you go.
I appreciate that. Bye.
Please come in. We're glad to have you.
Have you got anything to trade?
Okay.
Yeah, some food. Food is good. Guess I'll give you one of those. And we're gonna need some food. Okay. That's all we can afford right now. Now we're going to the next one. Oh, now we're gonna go get us a supply drop. Which should be kind of real close by. Uh-oh. It's time to run them over! Nice. Got them all, one shot. Now let's go see what's in here. Order confirmation.
A fine performance, to be sure. Many thanks.
Knife.
Captain
Round.
Offense.
Okay, not bad. I just need to carry you. To carry... Whoa. Is this not a shotgun? Okay, we're just gonna have you. Switch to you. We're gonna do that. Now you pick up the stuff. Oh, now we're off to the trader. Okay, now we've made it to the trader. And now will we see what they have? Oh, and I can get some more stuff on that. Okay. Puffy vest. Painkillers. Okay, we'll sell that to you. Do this. Okay, let's see what we got now.
What, a trade?
Give you these. And give you this. Okay, nothing really. Alright, here we go. Okay, here we are. Hey, now we've made it. Oh. Bye-bye.
I'm just about done.
Better hurry up. Are you done now?
I think we're all done here.
Well, Reggie, here you are.
Looks like we're here.
Thank you.
Yep,
You're welcome.
now we're done.
Goodbye.
Why couldn't you do that? Uh-oh! Here we go! Let's... we're gonna save you, buddy! Yeah, we got you!
You saved me, but I still got work to do here.
Probable.
Got a little beanie on. But what you want? What's this guy have on?
Sweet.
Okay, let's go, Zebra Man. You are slow, buddy.
Gotta finish this.
No more. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. Hey.
All done here.
Oh. Okay, good. Thank you, buddy. Why do we keep shooting?
I need a breather.
Nicely done.
Okay, now where's this guy? Hello? Where'd you go? Need you! Quit moving around.
See you later.
Thanks.
What's my
Here's a
reward?
little something to show how much I appreciate the help.
$100? That's all you're gonna give me? Just $100? Oh, what a rip. Well, at least it's better than nothing. Okay, well, I'm gonna drop this off. So I'll take this and drop this.
This place doesn't look so bad.
Okay. You need to
Want
go.
something?
Lead on.
That's what I've got done. Here we are. About to go turn on our quest again. So let's see what you got, buddy.
Hello. Let us see what's available, shall we?
Okay, we'll take that.
Place to put it.
Dropped on the ground.
Go in peace, my friend.
Only dropped on the ground.
No place to put it.
What? Son of a... Roger.
Something on your mind?
Hello. Are you willing to see to a task that needs doing? Be careful going about this one.
Now we're headed back home. Okay. I'm gonna drop off some food for some hungry peoples.
That's another supply run in the books.
Alright, and that should be the end of this one. So, see you later.